do waja Jimmy na kofa papa na me wo Ghana ho no na agegene de eye ndomi ma me anwumre bia no sa papa no ho na kokko diska no wate
na wo je nska ade e kama mo dua kwa ka me kra ama ka me kra ama ho nto no
Okay, people, welcome to the channel. We're from DJ Parker Rich, and as usual, we discuss what is trending online. Now, in that, there is a video be all the trend, or Instagram, or TikTok, or Facebook, everywhere. The video is trending. Now, and some old woman, or a very heartbroken, and I want Canada. As something in there. There is a video of a young lady spotted in the rain, Ojinensum, and browless, in front of back on bodies, and Oruchunutas in the rain. Now, it's not unusual. Now, we decided to find out reason why already. Now, story ni na there. On your boyfriend. No, you know, Ghana ha. Na chere boy na on shada nkwamba. Why daddy das bengin. Na girl no so very supportive inti. Chere girl ni ye indomie. Ano wo musa na sugar daddy krubi ze botwem. Odibotwem na chere tasko lelele kakraba. And she's been saving the Miss K for a very long time. Na was besia to etra or tribengini dame. So ideally, living with a man or trusting most of the funds and other sikan in the hands of this young man, they will go to make keep his scanner as another manama, you know why. But for a couple of days in your friend Benina papa on fat or friend dana on fat, I try your regular call on fat, WhatsApp call on fat, I try your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, baby your DM in Ibiano. On fact, and China on your alert today, no boy, and Wafa Kotoka International Airport, we could pay US, Maryland. Na asana no ya roho na girl no adna ya ne yawa ma wa kese boy and rough left right. It's very sad. I have the video here. I'm definitely going to show you the video. Now, I'm going to discuss this whole issue with Mami ya. Me day born, Thursday born. You know, predated in a while here, so we'll definitely talk about that one. I'm going to play you the video of Galen. The way or Kessa boy. And let's find out the impact to be woman and there's all a writer. Into your video.
When there be over guy I was tell bully you and because I got one in the office na one year. It's not Japan 50,000 Ghana cedis. 50,000 Ghana cedis. And ya who could do you to have block in the baby. What did you want? You bet me say 2 million baby. And I understand. Oh,
what to Ghana on and cross some
well, before I'm as a boy in a version of the video number Brown, I would like to say this there. Yeah, supporters again in any way. And supporters are in any way. See Rabin or supporter. I support what the lady is doing.
Of course, we support it because, in fact, or every right say also on more than that.
Why?
Because Oban or Pel Winty. And when we say we are only be Nti enya mini sugar daddy kwa ko ye bibia na ma bro bi na so wedi.
Is that not cheating? Onye cheating?
No.
Onye cheating awo emi na awo ina ye ho ye
No,
nyama
one
we
thing about ladies that I've noticed they say won. Say oba pewa o fele say ebi obeye bibia de aboa. What I say, a comedy winiska. When you say also ebi ni ho what I say say sugar daddy we call and a person won't give it in. Then I will also give myself to sugar daddy. Send a bear me the boa.
But on your right. Because you will not go cheat on me. Go make some sugar daddy chop you.
Then I'll come and give the money to you.
Na some HIV as a best anama. How do we discuss this? Yeah, na ya chere. Nti me hu there. Zaya ni dangerous na me look smart na me tukwa na akọ US a. Case here case me eba mfaso na wo.
No. One say, imagine say ebia onibi.
Yeah.
Guy no onibi.
Yeah.
Oni sika o de be my girl na ebia em say you no so be call out ne niam be obeto onibi. Into if I've gotten this person, 90% on boa me new me like on boa me na manye selfish. Manye person me nkuminya na me nim say me will be on me pe wasem like I love you to the extent say me person me mboa ba me ni sika me so me de be boa. Nti say nipa we say na o girl no gi sika no wan fan show no nkwan nim na mo gi a wan sika no be dia no abra obi na wedi. Now we say we are smart. What na we dey journey. Now,
Mabel, so only sugar daddy then why there? I can't boy no. Hello, honey. This is what I do to get the money. But you, yeah, there about hide as in from boy. Na boy no so money low key. Wa mafia wa. Ese rekesi.
That we won't say. Bia na won't say opi obia. A hard say feel say you are hurting, you are going to hurt the person.
But in him there hurting him pan. It's obvious that you are hurting the person.
Yes, but
so why do it in the first place?
Hurting you to help you. You get it?
It's how Benini or the Mazini be obey order.
Oh, say
there or quite service or you call Fokada, which is also known as prostitution. Now, on this kind of brother, you'll be happy. Anyway, you say boy on the side of the story. Now, Mom, Messi, Afuni Bibiana.
Ghana for man. Huh? Yes, you can see a baby Ghana. Since a member funny sick umbrella. Yes, sir. But we boom with the other than the Sure. That Messi, oh, if you are correct, and tell you correct, can say. Upon a crandrum, you cannot. Endru baby mama e kom de waja jimi na kofa papa na me wo Ghana ho no na agegene de ndomi mama enwumire bia no sa papa no ho na kokwa disika no ate
na wo je nskrage e kama mo dua kwa ka me kra ama ka me kra ama ho ntoro so wo podama e se me sa ma ni bi na o mo tu obi tu sika do kwa bo chi wa yi na ma no ka se me example oni bia 50,000 Ghana.
And so 50,000 100 brona I bring to your guys so actually side of the story there. Now if he say come sugar daddy obo doggy naze there's a cash bro we feed them. The lady is wrong, admit it.
Yes. We understand the fact that lady no you're wrong. Ebia I was on country ebia say ni say makonya obi nti no. Me pese me fa nipa ne so na yemboa ye ho you understand, but won say obia ne se no odwin ebia oba no ofele say ebia me ka chewa ebe ya oya obe looking down upon your own self say ebia won to me provide mama what I say inti me ko na makoye na me diskana abe ato eduane in boys ni video no ka bibi say na odi indomie. In fact boy ne ni hu ade because odi indomie mama neza ukwa uniska ba me kona me konya me de me hu ko though I'm dating you but me hu na me de ko what I say there's a sugar daddy kono obey me ni na no you have no idea but me nyaska na me mfa ma me nkwa me mfa nto wege ma me nkwa me mfa nye nyama bi ma me hu me de ba e de bro so gina di bi so what I say nti se when we say oba we kwa o wadwen pama though only be no or sacrificing a day pama only na wa planning na we ja ho na wa ko na o kana wo sa actually camera now be didn't attempt there.
But I think boy need or Shana Robert because the girl na be kissing. Fine, what boyfriend what do whiskey go na akwa bridge. Why that man at time if you or settle na on your skebia or what was sort out.
No.
If you come back for one ko botuma send who schedule you whiskey bi na me ye. Yenya ya to them stories in me. But Eric Kenson no own. Oh wow, would you get your money back?
I think according to the video, no, they stated say or try to be rich guy no baby, we're blocking no. That means it's confirmed say we're blocking. Say be or friend or not in some Canada, fine. But what blocking it there? That means you know what you're doing. Yeah, I understand.
But I'm crime at a time. I mean, people will change.
Who knows time what they call it?
Ah well. Let's say for this is here's your point of view. Now I feel there. Well, I'm not saying there's a guy in the year in the UK, but I feel that it is not right for a woman to be cheating in the name of making money as Bosch or boy. But you know how back at it, able to blend the food, and they will definitely, show you mafia pepe. And since this is the whole issue, my young also point of view, what do you think? You feel that girl they are right, and the boy they are right? Let me know here under the comment section. Nah, yeah, vibe, interact and see. We're going to draw the curtains down here. We're from the park already.
Yeah, Blackbeard.
Hey, isn't it? Both social media so that people can follow.
Yeah, on Instagram, yeah, Blackbeard. Twitter, yeah, Blackbeard.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, guys. So let me know your comments. What you think about this whole issues right there. Okay. Bye bye.